Winter Forest is the title of this deluxe craft pad from our friends at Hunkydory. Now it's an A4 size. It's kind of different that it's padded at the top, but also it has a whole collection of coordinating things in one pad. So you'll see, because this is called Winter Forest, you're going to expect to see some of our winter friends. They are foiled. You'll notice that silver is the foiling color that's been selected. All of these die cuts will just pop right out. Many of them have multiple layers, and they have greetings with them also. You're going to get 4 of these, and that's going to probably be about almost 100 of the die cuts. Then to match, you are going to get some printed cardstock. This is the adorable scoreable weight. You can see that these are going to match the artwork that I just showed you. Some will be foiled. Actually, 4 will be foiled and 4 will be printed. In fact, let me see. Nope, those first 2 were not foiled. So here we go. And this is, again, 4 are foiled and 4 are printed. Hopefully you can see the foiling over there. Really, really pretty. So 4 foiled, 4 printed, and then you're going to get 8 of the inserts. The inserts are ghosted back images that coordinate with the die cuts, and they are good not only as inserts inside the card, but the design team has done some wonderful cards using them on the front. So that just works perfectly. So it's a really, really nice collection of everything working together. This is called Winter Forest. It looks fuzzy to me. The camera looks fuzzy, out of focus.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I see that too.
It didn't in the beginning, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Yeah,
but just at the end there. I mean, I think it's okay, but